Night.
And here in Iowa, the governor is reporting one new case of coronavirus tonight. That brings the total to 17 cases in Iowa. That new case was reported in Harrison County. 14 of the cases are in Johnson County, one in Pottawatomie, and one in Carroll. The governor says all cases so far have been travel related, not from its spreading within our state.
Oh, we have team coverage on what the coronavirus means for Iowans tonight. Local 5's chief political correspondent Rachel Droz, Matt McCulloch, and Lakin McGee are all standing by. We start our team coverage with Rachel. She went to a press conference held by Governor Reynolds tonight. Rachel, what have you learned?
Well, the governor says right now their job is to minimize the impact that COVID-19 has on Iowans. Her administration isn't advising school closures yet, but she wants people to be conscious of when they are in public. If you're sick, stay home and avoid large crowds. That advice also goes for the elderly and populations with underlying health conditions.
We're trying to avoid hitting a peak and really crashing our public health system. And so we're trying to mitigate that. If we do it too early, all we do is move that peak out a little bit further. So we need to base it on data. We need to be prepared to take action once we hit that the community spread or the triggers that would identify that. But it's what we're trying to do is to push that out, bend the curve, and really manage and mitigate this as we move through it.
Now that COVID-19 is here, health officials say Iowans need to prepare for community spread.
And even with strategies in place to slow the spread of this virus, it is likely that we will see more positive cases. And as we continue to investigate these cases, if public health reveals that there's a new positive case that can't be linked to a known risk factor, like travel on a cruise or a confirmed case, this will indicate that there's spread of the virus in our community.
Now, after the press conference wrapped up, I also spoke with Human Services Director Kelly Garcia. She says that her department is actively working on a plan to make sure that child care is available should school closures happen in the future. They're going to be using funds they already have to do the following: helping small businesses maintain their headcounts. They're going to make sure sites have access to good hygiene practices, and if large school districts do shut down, they're going to work on setting up alternative care sites so working parents have a place their kids can go. She does say it's important that no one sends their kids to school or to daycare if they are showing any symptoms of being sick or if any of their siblings or themselves in their household are sick. For now, reporting live at the State Emergency Operations Center, Rachel Droz, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.